share with you today is for intermediate guitar players, okay? Or keyboard players. Keyboard players could use this as well. What did I do and how do you figure out what you're going to play over solos? What are you going to do? Listen, very easy, very basic stuff. What I do is what I call outlining the chords. The technical term is called playing arpeggios, okay? But all I'm doing is playing the notes within the chords. Single notes, just the single notes, okay? So if I'm playing F major 7, I'm playing each note within that chord. I'm going to go outside of it a little bit, but I'm staying within my range. I'm not gonna go too far out, okay? So let's go over the chords first, and then I'll show exactly what I did. All right, the first chord in the progression is at F major 7, okay? And I played the F major 7 like this. So, like a bar chord, like playing a minor, is almost like playing an A minor and adding an F. See that? The next chord is a G major triad. Okay. Then they go to a C major 7. Okay, and then they end up on an A minor. So again, the chords is F major 7, G major triad. Okay, C major 7, and then an A minor. Okay, so those are the chords. Now, how I approached it was I played some notes outside of the chord, but I wasn't far. I stayed right here, and you'll see exactly how I did that, okay? So, the first chord is a F major 7. So I began to play the notes within the chord. Okay, I started on that F. Let me get back to where you can see my fretboard. Started on the F. Played that A. Played the C. Then I played a G right there. That's where I went outside of the chord. So, and then I went back to the E. Okay, C. The A, then back to the F, okay? See that? Okay, that went back to the A. Then for the G chord, what I did was I started on the C and did a bend from the C to the D. So it sounds like this. Almost sound like a slide. But I'm actually bending it. See that? So it sounds like the first chord, the first lick, I should say. Okay, once again. Then I went to the C major 7 chord, right? But on the C major 7 chord, I actually started on the D and did a chromatic walk from on my low E string. I did from the D, D flat, C, and B. So, and walked up the chord. Right? And then when I got to that B, okay, I did a B, D, B. So, okay, once again. minor. And what I did for the A minor chord is a slide. I did sliding back and forth, starting on the A, on the 7th fret, on the D string. Then I went to my G string, which is that C. I went to the E, on the B string. Right? So, excuse me. So here we go. Again, we're going half steps from the A to A flat, from the C to the B to the E flat, and then the A. So the whole lick, the whole for the progression is. And that is the whole progression. Let me play it one more time so you can see. And I want you to try it. I want you to try it. Make sure you grab your guitar and try this. I need to know how you working out with it, okay? Here, check it out one more time. And that is the whole lick. Listen, let me know. Tag me. Call me. Text me. But I want to hear from you. Make sure you write in the comments. I want to hear how this is working for you. And if it's something else you want me to cover, let me know that as well, okay? Thank you so much for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.